Hello credit builders, thanks for watching Credit Here. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze your credit report and all 3 credit bureaus. Now it's extremely important to freeze your credit report, especially in today's climate where all these companies are getting hacked from left to right. Now I'm pretty sure you heard the recent stories of what happened with I think it was Equifax and Capital One. And I can guarantee you going forward in the future, that will not be an isolated story. As time goes by and technology get more and more advanced, it's just going to become more and more easy for hackers to hack these companies. Now, on TransUnion here, if you look at my screen, you can see you can both freeze and unfreeze your credit online. And if you want, you can also give them a call. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you see that they have their phone numbers here at the bottom, and you can also mail in a request. Now my suggestion is, if you're going to mail in your request, I would do it certified mail if I could, certified mail or registered mail. So basically right here you have TransUnion, and they give you basically a quick brief of what exactly a credit freeze is and why you should do it. Now, for me, I freeze my credit even if I don't have service with a company that was recently hacked. I keep my credit freeze just for the simple fact I don't want anyone getting a hold of my information and just going out there and opening up credit cards or applying for credits or buying a car in my name or anything like that. It just gives me a little bit more comfort. Now, over here we have Experian. Also, I'm going to include these links in the description. You can go ahead and click the description box, and you should be able to click on the links and go straight to the website. Experian is the same thing. They give you a brief reason why you should add a freeze. Okay, it says here, a security freeze is designed to prevent credit, loans, and services from being approved in your name without consent. Alright, so basically a brief overview, and you can add a freeze and also lift a freeze online with Experian as well. And Equifax is the same thing. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, well, Equifax, they don't include their phone number or any of that information. But anyways, you can also mail in your request to add a credit freeze. And it should be as simple as TransUnion. You can give them a call, or you can mail in your request. Either works. Remember, if you're going to do this, if you're going to take the route where you mail your request, add tracking by adding a certified mail label. And one more thing before I go ahead and check out. Now, you have a credit freeze and you also have a fraud alert. Now, the difference between credit freeze and a fraud alert is a credit freeze, you have to go to each individual bureau individually and request a credit freeze. Now, a fraud alert, if you add a fraud alert to your credit file, you only have to do it for one bureau. Whichever bureau you choose, they have to notify the other two bureaus. So let's say you want to add a fraud alert to your TransUnion. TransUnion would then have to go out and then notify Equifax and Experian. Okay, so that's it for how to freeze your credit report. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please click the like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. See you next time in Credit Here.